Hello students of class 8. Now before exam first unit test I am making some revisional videos. Already I have solved out exercise 1, algebraic exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then chapter 5. Clear? Up to exercise 11. Now today I'll do some revisional work from exercise also and from example also. It is not that always we will give from exercise. You will practice example also. Clear? Now this type of sum I am not writing here, not mentioning any exercise. Okay. So first if this type will come, simplify. Simplify a by, this is sum number 1. A by 1 minus a plus a by a minus 1. Now how to do? This is fractional addition. We have to take the LCM. But there is 1 minus a and here a minus 1. So we have to make same. How? If from second term, if we take minus common, then it is becoming 1 minus a. This minus I am adjusting here. Plus minus minus. Then it is becoming 1 minus a. So what I have done? There was a minus 1. I had made 1 minus a. So 1 negative sign will come here. Now you know. Or you have not to take the LCM also. Same term coming. See. A by 1 minus a minus a by 1 minus a equals to 0. This is the answer. Clear? Now same type, simplify if the sum is in this form. Number 2. A by a minus b plus b by b minus a. I have told you have to make the LCM same. So here also take minus common, then it will become a minus b. Now here in this way you can't cancel. Since there is a, there is b. So you have to take the LCM. What will come here? A minus b. Now numerator and denominator same. Your answer will be 1. Clear? This answer is 1. Then next, simplify. If there is bar, then how we can do? Under simplify it is coming 1 minus third bracket 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus a. Bar is here over 1 minus a. Now first we have to do this operation. So up to this write down. Now when you remove bar, there is minus. So it will become minus and minus minus it will become plus. Here. Now this and this cancel out. 1 minus. Now in first bracket only a is there. So if you remove first bracket, it is coming this. 1 minus 1. Then second bracket remove, minus 1 plus a. This is cancelled out. Then 1 minus a. Checking the answer. Exercise 1. Sum number 12. 1 minus a. This is the answer. Clear? So first, if there is bar, that is called bar, then you have to do this operation. if in front of bar there is positive sign, no problem, what is there you will copy. But there is negative sign, so you have to change the signs under bar. Then you know operation of first bracket, then operation of second bracket, then last operation of third bracket. Clear? So another type of bar related sum I am showing. X minus y plus x minus y minus x minus 1. Bar is over here. Then again we'll do the operation on bar. So till these terms you have to copy. Now what I have told, there is negative sign, so it is becoming negative, and minus minus plus. Clear? Then first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Then nothing will be cancelled out here. Y plus y, 2y minus x. Then operation of first bracket. There is minus, and minus minus plus. Clear? Then next step, operation of second bracket. Okay, x plus, one more step I have to write. X plus x, 2x. 2x minus 2y. Then finally operation of second bracket. Step by step we are doing. Already you know from your class 7 syllabus, that is y, there is plus, so no problem. It is this. Now x minus y, here you see 2x plus y minus 2y means minus y. Clear? Then remove third bracket. Minus minus plus. So y, x minus 2x means minus x plus y. Or you can end here, no problem, you will get full marks. Or if you want to give positive term first, you will write down y minus 6 in this one. But if anyone will end here, no problem, this is the answer. Clear? This is revisional chapter I am doing, that is simplification. If there will be bar, then how you can simplify. Clear? Now next part you will get in next video.